Don't despair, because in programming, you never have to do the same thing 1,000 times. Hi, I'm Steven, a software engineer in Silicon Valley, and I want to talk to you about looping. So in JavaScript, we have several types of loops. First one is for loops. Typically, you'll have a number that's initialized to 0, and you'll increment throughout the length of an array typically, or some other kind of iterable, and then increment generally by 1. This is the simplest type of loop, and you'll generally see it in all programming languages. In JavaScript, we have something special called for in and for of loops. For in loop loops over every key in an iterable. This can actually be kind of tricky. If you iterate over an object's keys, generally you're not going to have a problem. But if you iterate over an array, what we tend to forget is that arrays in JavaScript are objects under the hood, and their indexes will be expressed as strings. This can actually be really confusing and detrimental if you're using those indices for calculations. So make sure to either convert those into numbers first, or just use a traditional for loop. For of loops are a lot more straightforward. They're actually just looping over all the values, and typically that's what you're going to do in